guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be watching a video that I keep seeing. We are going to be reacting to a slime video that I just found, and I really love slime, so let's start. Oh my god, this thing looks so nice. Oh, it's a jelly slime though. It looks a bit like aloe vera. Like, do you know what I mean? It's actually quite satisfying. Like, there's bubbles in it and everything. And I just love that. Oh my god, they added strawberries in. Oh my god. No way. No way. I love this slime. It's literally like the best. Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh my god, that's like a pink milky slime. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god. And that clicking sound. What? That's water. You can't tell me that's not water, because that literally looks like water. No way. That's so weird. Is that another water slime? Oh no, they're both jiggly. Did I say jelly? Oh, I don't know. Okay, so I'm waiting for the next one. Okay, so they're just playing around with it. There's loads of bubbles. Oh my god, yes! It's another milky slime. That clicking sounds literally the best. Oh my god. I've never seen that type of thing be done. Oh my god, is that like a toilet paper slime? I'm not too keen on them, but whatever. How do you like make slime with toilet paper? Please, can someone like comment? I got an advert. Sorry. Okay. Still playing with it. It's really nice. Oh my god! Yes, that thing's the best. I love that. Pink. It rules, literally. Oh my god, no, that's another toilet paper slime. I don't know how I feel about that one. I'll just give it like a 5 out of 10. Oh my god, snowman! Yes! That sounds so nice. Toilet paper slime. Dang it. I'm wearing headphones so it sounds better. It's literally just like a regular white slime. That's okay, but like I would prefer it if it was like blue, because that would be so nice. Oh my god, it's emoji. Oh, they scammed me. I thought that those emojis were actually printed on there. No, they can't do that. Okay, now we got this one. Oh, it's so nice. Oh wait, it's a jelly. It's a jiggly slime, which I'm not. I don't really like. I hate jiggly slimes. If you ever send me a jiggly slime, I will literally throw it in the trash. Okay. So it's like a really nice blue glossy. Oh, look, we got bunnies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they got charms. Why did they take the bunny out? I don't see the charms anymore. I swear if he took them out, he's just like... Oh, wait, no, they're still in there. That's a really nice slime, though. I love it. Okay, what's the next one going to be? I don't know how I feel about this one now. I want to go to the next one. I really wish I could just press it to go to the next one. I got another advert! Jesus! Bubble! That's like a shrimp. Is that like a shrimp? A shrimp? A shrimp? I have no idea. Oh my god, that's literally like so nice. Oh wait, no, that was just orange food dye, I think. Yeah, but it didn't really make any difference. Okay, so it looks kind of nice. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm a bit slow. It's because all these adverts are slowing me down. Yes, that's why I'm talking about the theme, that pink slime in this red slime. So thanks if you understood. Oh my god, it's like pink and milky. Oh my god, this is literally like my dream slime. I love it. I give this like a 10 out of 10. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's a jiggly slime. I mean, that's kind of a nice jiggly slime, but come on, what did they even like sprinkle on top of it? It looks like it's just on the table, but then it's like in a bowl. That's just weird. I have no idea what that one is. It's like a pink. That's peach. That's definitely peach. Ooh! How did they even make that? They added so much like metallic pigment in there. That's not even a jiggly slime. That's literally one of the best. Oh look, it's another jiggly one. Jesus, why can't I just have milky slimes? Okay. It's like a really nice light pink. Oh, black. There's like, they have like little holes in it. Oh my god, that's literally like, tell me that's not. Oh my god. I freaking love that. And it's watery slime. Another advert. I can't see. Sorry if I'm a bit slow on like doing this because I get adverts and my phone randomly turns off. Okay, so now I just got the red slime. I'm sorry if on my iPad it's like quicker. Oh, I don't know what that is. That's definitely not like, that's like a jiggly slime mix with like, no, that's just a plain. You guys. I love that. You enjoyed this video. Oh my god, I love those. And if you want me to do more videos like this, let's get this video to 10 likes.